Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a super small craft haul. I have some dies from AliExpress, some Dollar Tree items that I hauled and altered, and then one item from HSN. So let's get started with the AliExpress dies. So I got this super cute die. It's this little girl, and I know I usually like to cut out the dies and show you guys, but this one just like really super intimidated me. It's a lot of little pieces, and just to be honest with you guys, I did not feel like cutting it out. The only thing that I really wanted to cut out with these little bows, which I didn't, so I do apologize for that. But this is the little girl. She has the little afro puffs. And then I purchased this one, and it's like a little geisha doll, and it has several little pieces. Once again, I cut it out. Some of it I really didn't finish it because I'm lazy, and it was a lot of little pieces, but this is what I did so far. She's super cute. She has the little flowers in her hair, and you can use your colored paper or pattern paper to make her little dress cute, and that's how she looks. Super cute. And then I picked up this fish. I don't know why I picked up this fish. I have no reason why I picked up this fish, but I did. And I didn't finish him, but look, he only has one eye. But cuts out pretty good. It was just late last night, and I just didn't feel like finishing. He has some little dots that go up here for his buddy design, but he's cute. Cute little fish. And then I picked up these little rabbits or bunnies with the big giant carrot, and these are super adorable. And I did cut them out. I went to make him have a white eye, and I messed that up. So I'm gonna have to practice that. I haven't done that a lot. But isn't it cute? These are so cute, and I will definitely be using this die next Easter. And then I picked up this little piece of decorative, I don't know what you want to call it, but everyone has been hauling it. So I got that, and it cut out beautifully. I used this orange, and I cut it out twice and glued it on. It kind of moved a little, but I think it would be really cute if you put like some gold or crystals at the tops. So super cute for your cards or other designs. And then one of my favorite is the little bee. I have just been obsessed with bees for some reason this year, so I picked a little bee up, and he doesn't have too many parts, just his body, and here he is. Isn't he cute? OMG, I love this little bee. Oh, little bee. And then I picked up this airplane with a puppy or a bunny inside. I'm not sure what the animal is supposed to be, but I picked this up for a friend to make a card, and I didn't take the die apart because there's so many little pieces. I just kind of run the section over the paper, put the paper under the section that I want to die cut. That way I won't lose any pieces. But here's the card that I made. I haven't quite finished it yet. I hadn't adhered it to the actual base. But is that not cute? And I put some little brads there. And this is part of his ear, I guess. And it's supposed to go like that. But I haven't decided. I have the other one here somewhere. I haven't decided if I want him to be a bunny or what, or I think he looks cute without it. What do you think? Let me know below in the comments. Super cute card. And then, so that's from AliExpress. So from Dollar Tree, I picked up this really cute little decor piece, and I really liked the style, but I did not like her eyelashes or her lips. So I figured I would try to alter it so it'll be a little bit cuter. So I took some acetone or acetate, whichever is fingernail polish remover, and I was able to remove her eyelashes and her lips. And then I went on Design Space and cut out vinyl ones with my Cricut, and then this is what she looks like now. I think she looks a lot better. Look at those lips. And what I did first was I kind of messed it up a little bit right here, but this is fine for me. And I cut it out in paper first to see if it lined up, and it did immediately the first time I cut it out. So, and then I put this little succulent in it to match my room, my craft room. Super cute. And so I have the lips and the eyelashes ready to do the second one. So just polish remover, cut out some vinyl, and there you go. I think I'll show it to you once again. I think it turned out super cute. What do you think? Which one do you like better? I think I like this one. Okay. And then I picked up these super cute little sets. They have Post-it notes on the inside and a little pen. The pen is not the best, but I really like the Post-it notes. And I did like the cover of this one. But another one I didn't like the cover. So I covered it up, and I used these little flourishes that I got from new embossing folders that I got off of HSN. These are Anna Griffin embossing folders, and they cut and emboss, so it's super easy to use. And this is the design that comes out. I'm gonna put an initial here maybe, or some bling on it, but I thought it turned out really cute. And then I found the one that says believe in yourself, and while I do like the inside with the bees, I didn't like the outside as much, so I altered it by putting one of those little bees that I just made from my dot set. And I just took this scrap piece of paper that I had in my stash, covered it up, put a black piece border there, put the little bee on there, and then from Simon Says Stamp I have this stamp, and I put be yourself. So what do you think in the difference? I think it turned out cute. So that is my craft haul and kind of a project share, I guess. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think of the items? I also have a giveaway. So I am going to give away the fish die and the little girl with the Afro puffs and the little geisha. And then I bought an extra one of these to give away too. So if you're interested in the drawing, let me know below, and I'll include you in the drawing. And then I'll draw a name next Thursday. And good luck to you all. You must be a subscriber, 18 years or older. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.